Hello from Speaker's Corner in London. Today we're going to ask people what makes them happy and what makes them angry.
Hello, do you mind if I ask you a couple of questions? What makes you happy?
Oh, that's a good question. It's the little things, you know?
Could you give us an example?
Probably staying at home with my kids and husband during the weekend. I think that's what makes me really happy.
Could you tell us about something that makes you really annoyed?
Well, yes. One thing that really annoys me is having to work extra time at my job. Yes, I would definitely say that that makes me angry because I get home late and don't have time for anything else.
Hello, do you mind if I ask you a couple of questions?
Go on then, what would you like to know?
What makes you happy?
Wow, man, that's a big question. Let me think. Well, maybe I'm really happy when I arrive home and I can relax watching my favorite football team play a really good match on the telly. What makes you angry? Wow, man, it's really difficult to see me annoyed. Let me think, yeah. I think I get a bit annoyed when people play loud music on their phones on the train. Apart from that, I can't think of anything else that annoys me.
What makes you happy? The lovely English weather. And what makes you angry? Oh, that's a good one, son. Let me think. Oh, yes, I know. When I'm doing the shopping and there's a huge queue at the till. That really annoys me. So now you know what makes some Londoners happy and what makes them angry. What about you? What makes you happy and what makes you angry?